Hello, I know this ain't very good resolution. It's a bit blurry, but I have not done a video in a year. Uh, so yeah, let's make one. Currently I'm outside, but it's no greenhouse. Actually you don't know. Well, some do, but yeah, a gust of wind came down and knocked it over, and it was a tragedy. A tragedy, yeah. So, so this video is only going to be about my naps. My carnivorous, if you don't know what naps is. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm inside now in my not so big kitchen, and what you're going to see now is my naps, my nepenthes. Um, there is 4 this time, not 3, and a lot has happened, and yeah, let's look at them. So let's start with Nepenthes ventrata. It's grown quite a big. The leaves are huge at the moment. They're really long, as you can see. Sadly, none of them have produced a picture, but it is becoming really close, and I'm just hoping for this to start inflating. And yeah, then we could just get a picture going, and up here's just some sphagnum moss. So yeah, that's the ventrata. Alright, so here is my Veitchiites babigeae. Sadly, during the night when my greenhouse fell over, this was inside, along with all of the other Nepenthes, and it's not very hardy like ventrata and the other ones, but it came close to dying. It got frost, it freezed, all the leaves fell off, and just focus, and it just came out with this one, and now it came out with this one, and now it's coming up with a little one there. Again, it hasn't produced any pictures, but looking forward to it. There's some sphagnum moss in there. So that's the Veitchiites babigeae. So this one is a new arrival, and there's 2 in fact. There's one there and one here. These are, I believe, mirabilis or something like that, and they're pretty small. No pictures yet. Hoping like a small picture from them. And just again some sphagnum moss here, and that's Nepenthes mirabilis. Alright, so here is the biggest Nepenthe I've got, and this is I've got it, Ventricosa extalingensis. As you can see, just pick that piece up, it has grown considerably in size, and yeah, it's huge. So it's got loads of tendrils. As you can see, I have not counted them, but there's more than 10. Again, turn it over, and then we have some here. It also came out with basil right here. Basil, and I'm hoping to get a picture from it, as this basil here does create a picture, and it's starting to inflate. I think it's turning green, so that's a good sign. And that's really the only one. I think it's starting to get into vining stage, as there's more gaps now between each leaf, but yeah, there's like no pictures, just a load of tendrils. So yeah, that was it. And they were all of them. Right, so that is it for here. Now I'm going to go upstairs in my room and show you the other plants. Alright, so we're in my room now. And here are the plants. And yeah, let's go through them. So, firstly, let's just start with this big bowl of sphagnum. When I bought sphagnum moss, I had way too much left, so I decided to just put it in a bowl and grow it in here. It's good because it attracts flies. Well, not like big flies, but little like mosquito fly things. Well, they're not mosquitoes. Let's say fruit flies. And yeah, it's pretty good because I've got some Drosera here. And yeah, the plants just eat them. So that's the sphagnum. So okay, so here is a Dionaea muscipula. I've got 3 of them because I divided it, but this one didn't like the division. It turned black. There's the what's it called? Begins with R. I forgot something. So again, here's another one. Again, this one didn't like the division. This one's actually doing pretty good. So I'm happy, but hopefully these 2 will grow again. So yeah. Alright, then in here I have some Cephalotus pullings, some leaves and pitchers, and then here I actually have it's another pulling, but this one actually it was a growth, like a basil, basically a Cephalotus basil thing, and it got pulled out by a friend, and then he sent it to me. So I think in here is a long pot. In here is a pendicula. I forgot what kind, but it's growing. Okay, so next one. Alright, so here is the pot of Drosera. I have let's say 5 species in here. So I have this. I've totally forgot what they are. So there's this one. They're pretty small. Then there's this one, which is bigger. Then there's this one. This is roundy. I forgot. Just like roundy or something like that. And then there's another one here. Oh, and yeah, that's it. So there's 4 there. Alright, so next pot. Alright, so here is a cupensis, a Drosera cupensis. And you can see what I mean by all the fruit flies being eaten and consumed by this plant. You can see there's a load there. Then if we just turn it around, there we go, we can see a lot more there. And this one's actually growing pretty good. It came in not looking so happy, and it actually it's doing pretty good in here. So I'm happy. So yeah, that is it. In here I had a Sarracenia purpurea, something like that, purpurea. And sadly that shriveled up and died, and yeah, actually here it is, it's right here. There we go. I don't know what happened. It's here in some water, so if it decides to grow again, it has some water. In there's some Utricularia. If I can find it, it's under. There we go. There it is. Utricularia, and there's another Dionaea muscipula. Actually, I'll leave it like that so they have a chance to grow. So yeah, that was it. And I think that covers all of my carnivorous plants. So, yeah. See ya. So there you go. That was, the video. I hope you like it. Yeah. Next time I might show you some of my cacti. So, yeah. Bye.